I'm Justin Carter with the Center for Rural Affairs. Today I'm going to tell you the top 5 things to know about the EQIP application rankings and the advanced payment option. The Environmental Quality Incentives Program, or EQIP, is a competitive program that offers farmers, ranchers, and landowners financial and technical assistance to implement conservation practices on working lands. How are the applications ranked? EQIP applications are ranked competitively. More points are given to applications that address state and federal priority resource concerns. To make applications as competitive as possible, farmers and ranchers and landowners should pay close attention to the priorities NRCS has identified as important for funding in their state. Keep in mind applications are also ranked on factors such as cost effectiveness, how many resource concerns are addressed, and how long-lasting the environmental benefits will be. The size of a farm or ranch is not a factor in the ranking. When are payments made? EQIP payments are typically made in October. Annual payments are between $1,500 and $80,000 based on the contract and the practices the farmers, ranchers, or landowners are implementing. Advance payments are available to help offset some of the upfront costs. How much money do farmers need beforehand? EQIP is a cost-share program, which means participants are reimbursed for a portion of the costs associated with implementing a conservation practice. It is a reimbursement program, so applicants might initially bear the entire expense for conservation activities. Farmers, ranchers, and landowners should be sure to understand the financial commitments for an EQIP contract and should make sure that they maintain cash flow pending reimbursement. The conservation program planning process determines how competitive the application will be and how it is ranked by NRCS. Applications that are more highly ranked and address multiple or prioritized local resource concerns are more likely to be funded. Purchases made before the application are not eligible for cost share. Farmers, ranchers, and landowners should not make purchases assuming they'll be reimbursed. Wait until the application is approved to make purchases and implement practices. How does the EQIP advance payment option work? The EQIP advance payment option offers upfront payment for historically underserved farmers, which include beginning farmers, veterans, limited resource farmers, and farmers, ranchers, and landowners of color, which the USDA terms as socially disadvantaged. The option provides at least 50% of the contracted payments for each conservation practice up front before the practice is implemented to purchase materials or contract services. Any funds not expended within 90 days of receipt must be returned to NRCS. How do farmers apply for the advance payment option? If the applicant identifies as socially disadvantaged, there's a specific form they can fill out for an advance payment. It is called the Conservation Plan of Operation, and it has an identifying number of NRCS CPA 1155. The advanced payment option is not competitive. Anyone eligible can opt in. Thank you, and please reach out to the Center for Rural Affairs if you have any questions.